What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn over $1,000 a day and not make the same mistakes that I made. Now, if you've never made money online before and you're brand new, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to get started with today, and I'm going to be giving you a bunch of stuff like access to the digital playbook right here, which is the in-depth step-by-step with tutorials about how to set up the system that I use. This is the Clip Merchants tab that has some more information on WAP, clipping, and other things. This is the FAQs. These are the different prompts that I use for my short form content. Now right here is a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. These are already done for you AI short form videos, different make.com blueprints, and then a library of a bunch of really cool stuff. Now, if you want access to all this stuff, all you got to do is reply in the comments, yes, and then I will send you access and where to get access to this, which is on a WAP. But let's go ahead and dive in to exactly what you need and how to get started with this system. So once you go to digitalplaybook.com, this will take you to the WAP where you're able to get access. Now, this is the main thing that you need, and this is the digital playbook. And the first thing you're going to need is Go High Level. Now, you don't need this, but if you're actually serious, this is the one thing that you're going to need, because this is a CRM which will host all your leads, allow you to send emails, and then allow you to schedule out content on what's called the social planner. So once you get this, sign up. It's 14-day free. You'll get taken to a screen that looks like this, and this is going to be your sub account or homepage. These are the three areas where I want to be talking about, or the three different tabs. We have sites. This is where your funnels are going to be. Automations, that's where the different email sequences are built out. And then marketing, this is where the social planner is, which you're going to be able to schedule all your short form content. Now, all these automations and everything that I'm going to be talking about, you can have access to all of this by downloading a snapshot. And what that allows you to do, and that allows you to import all of my funnels, all my frameworks directly into your Go High Level account. So go ahead and import that, and then you will have everything as far as like all the sites. Like you'll actually have the same one that I use right here. Obviously you can change, like the offer might not be the same, so you can go ahead and change that to whatever you like. You have access to all this. You'll have access to all my automations, all my custom values. So definitely go ahead and import the snapshot. Let's go ahead and talk about the front end, which is the funnel. So you'll have access to this. And basically what a funnel is it allows you to collect people's email addresses, because that is how we're going to be making money, is sending people to these different links right here. So you'll sign up to become an affiliate, one of these links, the ones up here I recommend. And then every time someone signs up for the rebill, you'll get a commission. So this is what a funnel looks like. Header, opt-in, boom, boom, put in their first name, email. And then when they do that, they'll get taken to the email sequence. So let me show you what that would look like. You just go into automations. Now, when you import the snapshot, you're going to have access to all the automations that you see. But the one that I want you guys to go ahead and go to is called the new email opt-in. The reason why this one is the one I want you guys to use is because this has about 60 done for you emails already. Now, these are geared towards promoting high level, but we got AI, we got DeepSeek, we got Claude. So whatever tool you choose, just go in here and just copy and paste what you have in here, or what I have in here, and just tell it to reword it to whatever tool or software that you're promoting. Go High Level is a great software to start promoting with. That's what I use because I actually use it. So why not use it? Why not promote a tool that you're actually using? But if you don't want to do that, there is, like I said, a bunch of other really cool tools. I like Descript because that's how I'm editing and recording these videos. I would show you it, but I can't because I'm recording on it. Also, Blotato, this is what I use to create my short form content. Another reason why I want you guys to use the new email opt-in is because there's something called custom values already in here. So if you guys would just copy and paste this, you would see these hyperlinks right here. Now, these hyperlinks are connected to my affiliate link. So you would have to go in here, change every single one of them. But since there is a custom value right here, we just got to go to settings and change it in one place. So how you would do that is just go back to workflows, go to settings, custom values, and then you would just go to, boom, you can see this is that key, and this is the hyperlink that I have. So when you put your value here, every time there's this custom value, it populates to all of the different hyperlinks, which saves so much time. So marketing, this is where your social planner is. I actually use a different one now. I use Later or Radar to post my social media content. But you can see the previous months, this is what I would use to post all my content. Boom. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Content. All you need to do is just go in here, connect your social media accounts by hitting settings, and then you would just post your different short form content videos. This is the most important part because this is how we're going to be able to get people into our funnel by posting content and getting attention, because attention will give us views, leads, which turns into clients. So going to Blotato, this is what I would start off with as far as being able to create short form content. You're able to try this for free. And what it allows you to do is create short form content with captions on it. Now, what I use for the captions is like top 3 different type of websites. We can see right here, these are all the different prompts. You guys can literally just take these, copy them, and use them for yourselves. Obviously change the URLs, but as far as the frameworks, this is what works. So I would use this. Over here, this is a Notion tab of some other prompts, more so for using like ChatGPT, let's say like YouTube content. All these different prompts are here. These are good. I use these in my own business, and there's just a bunch of other really cool stuff in here as for anything having to do with opt-ins, building your funnel. So definitely go ahead and take a look in that. But once we have the content built out through Blotato, that's where you would go into here, or not here. You would go into your, whatever you would go into your social planner and schedule out all this content. See, I'm posting 23 times a day, 15 times a day. So if you're not getting any opt-ins, you're just not posting enough content. Just do what works and you will start seeing results. Now, being honest, you're probably not going to see results in the first 14 days. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then wipe off this video, because this is not the type of video that is about earning quick cash. This is the fastest way that you can earn $1,000 a day, but it's going to take a month, 2 months for you to start seeing that type of money, or everyone would be doing this. So I hope you got some value from this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and put them down below. If you want access to the digital playbook, just go ahead and digitalplaybook.com and you can grab the VIP checklist here. But that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.